So here I'm working on the star one. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my smaller star in a different color placed down. Now you can go in and put a little bit of glue on each one so that they're not, doesn't tear off as easy. Just don't put too much glue because it will spew out the sides. You don't want a whole bunch of glue showing at the sides. Okay, so now that that's on there, you can see I got a little bit too much glue so you can see it. Make that the bottom side. So again, I'm going to start, I used the same ribbons for both of them. So I'm going to just put some glue on the end, wrap that first ribbon over. Oh, I just dripped a little down. That's okay though. A bit more glue. All right, so give those just a little chance to dry. And again, I like to test the placement before gluing. So this one, it's going to be a little bit harder to seal all around, but it still works. So with this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the wood dowel secured down first. I'm going to start with the top point and line it up best I can. Now a skinnier dowel would make this one a little bit easier to work with. I just get the dowel at the dollar store. The craft foam for these also comes from the dollar store. They're small sheets. And I'm going to go back into the center, put some glue in there, seal that. Put a little too much in that one. And there's the star one with the ribbons.